Greetings, salutations, guys. Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. Today we are doing an unboxing slash haul of. Okay, so hold on. Let me just show you. I have a bunch of these. How many do I have? I have 6, I think. And these are. I think they're mostly all like high-end skincare things. Maybe there might be some hair products. But earlier this year, I discovered this thing called Beauty Pass. And I heard about it from a housewife that was on a talk show, on Jeff Lewis's talk show, and it's called Beauty Pass. Every Friday, they send you a text message with a link. You click on the link, it's to their website, and it's to the product of the week. And there's makeup, skincare, and hair products. And they do like lots of like high-end luxury stuff. Makeup, they do like Anastasia, they do like cool like Japanese, Korean brands. Skincare, they've done Obagi, they've done Drunk Elephant, and a bunch of really great brands that you might not know of or are usually more expensive. For these things, which is really cool, is that you only pay for shipping and handling. So you get a full-size, brand new product. It's only like $12.95, I think, for shipping, and then every Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific time, you get a text message. It's really cool. You just sign up for it on their website. I'll link it. This is no like affiliation or anything. I just really like the stuff and I use everything. And I've just been traveling a lot recently, and every time these come in, I'm not here. And then I just decided that I was just going to start saving them up and opening them all at the same time. So these are really great things that you can try yourself. You can give it to people that you know, give them as gifts. My mom uses this like the service now too, and she like gets stuff every Friday with me. So let's just jump into it and see what I have. I honestly don't even remember what I got anymore at this point, though you can see what the product is and what it does, and then you have the choice to buy it or not. There's no like penalty or anything when you sign up, so it's really cool. I think I almost buy something. I buy like a couple things every month. So ooh, okay, so this one is by a brand called Revoderm Pharma, and it's a probiotic face and eye serum. Ooh, microbiome support, nourish, and heal. So that's this product. Ooh, so this is medical grade, paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free. Amazing. These are like drops. Oh, this one is one of the newer ones. I think I just bought this like last week. This is very exciting. I love trying new stuff, especially with like skincare. I love that kind of stuff. I'm obsessed. So that is our first thing. And all of these products, like they can retail anything between like $48 to like over $100 something, but you only pay the shipping and handling. And you do get the full size products. So it's really cool, because like otherwise, like, you know, like when you see like really cool products sometimes on TikTok or Instagram and you want to try it, and it's so expensive, and like not everything agrees with you, with your skin, and sometimes you can be reactive and stuff like that. So I think this is like a really great way to try things at a really great price, and to learn about new things too that you necessarily won't be like you won't see or use. Okay, so this one, okay, see, this is Dermalogica. I think a lot of people know this brand. This is a really reputable like skincare brand. And this is the Dynamic Skin Retinol Serum. I love retinol. It's so great for your skin. Reduces the 4 signs of skin aging within 2 weeks. Hot dog. This is like a little baby looking thing though. What is this exactly? Is this like a stick? Oh no, it's like it's a little pump. And then directions: apply a thin layer over face. Interesting. High dose wrinkle serum. So this one you probably don't need very much at all, and a little will go a long way. But honestly though, like with retinol, a little bit does go a long way when you use retinol products. You really don't need very much. You just need enough to spread over your skin like a really thin layer, and then you're good to go. So very exciting. I'll let you know how these things are too, and if any of you guys have tried these, or if you guys have ever used this service too, let me know. I talk about it a lot during like the lives, and I think a couple of you guys have actually bought stuff. Whoa, this one comes with so much stuff. Okay, so I got the JLo Body Tightening Tease Ultimate Body Serum. I wanted to try this because I love like lotions and stuff, and a body serum sounds really nice. This is a huge product. That is crazy. And then this one had 2 things. Oh, sometimes too you get like bonus products that you can choose from. So once you add something in your cart, sometimes they have like other things too that you can add in. And then again, you just pay shipping and handling. So very exciting. This one, the box got a little squished. But this is the Neo Strata Enlighten Pigment Controller. It lightens uneven tone and dark spots. Very nice. This is gonna be like great to like even out your skin tone. See, these would also be like really great gifts too. You know, like if you see something you think might be like that someone might like whenever I see like any makeup things, I always tell my mom and my sister so they can, or I'll just get it. Because sometimes these things sell out so quickly, like there's not enough time to even tell anyone. Like things have sold out in like a minute. So it's very, very fast. I think this website or the service is really, really popular, especially with some of the designer stuff, or like the high-end stuff. This one has 2 things in it too. Oh wait, did I order 2 of these? I got 2 of the JLo bodies. I'm gonna give one of these to my mom. She loves like a good serum too. So see, like now I have 2 of them. That's like a great product, right? Oh, this is the Naked Beauty Lift Tox Multi-Power Firming Rich Cream. Ooh. Morning and night, apply dime-sized amount of product to clean face and neck. So this will help tighten and firm and lift your skin, which is awesome. You always want that. A lifted look, a firmer feel, an intensive age-defying transformation in a jar. Good for dry or depleted skin. This is perfect for me for winter. My skin gets so dry during this time and it makes me break out. So I need like I started using a night cream on my face during the daytime because my skin gets so dry and then it makes me break out. Because when my skin gets dry, it overproduces oil and then it makes me break out. So yeah, I've discovered through the years that my skin needs a lot of moisture or else I overproduce oil and then it makes me break out. So I always like to be hydrated. Skin situation, loss of firmness, oh, exciting. Okay, Mercari Beauty is the name of that brand. This is so exciting. This is like, honestly, it's like Christmas for me. Okay, we have 2 more. I can't wait. Oh, this one has a good amount of stuff. Sometimes like there'll be 1 or 2 things in a bundle. Like I said, like usually it's just 1 product. Sometimes it's 2 products in one. But then sometimes they'll give you the option to buy even more stuff. So that is really, really cool. Oh, this is a Caviar CC cream, replenishing moisture, 10-in-1 complete correction, leave-in. Oh, so this one's for your hair. Ooh, a hair product. Multi-benefit treatments for complete moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, UV protection, manageability, strength, anti-breakage, sheet protection, and a light hold. Apply evenly to clean, towel-dried hair and style as desired. Can also be used as a finisher on dry hair for added perfection. Nice. CC cream for your hair. Oh, and then I got another one of these Dermalogica things. Amazing. Reduces. Oh, you know, I think this one, they did like some surprise bags. I think this might have been a surprise bag. I think. Or I think one of these was a surprise. You know, I think with this one, like this set might have been a surprise. I don't remember buying 2 of these. That's why. The Daily Microfoliant Brightening Based Powder Exfoliant. Okay, so this is the Dermalogica again. And then I got another one of these. So very exciting. See, now we have double, so now these are going to be great stocking stuffers for the holiday. I'm telling you guys, great stocking stuffers. I'm definitely going to be using some of these in people's stockings this holiday season, which is coming up very soon. I think this is day, is it 14? Might be day 14 of Vlogmas. Ooh, okay, this one comes in a box. Oh, what is this? It's a CD monitor set sample? What? This is like a mystery. This one got a little squished. Decorte AQ Meliority Intensive Revitalizing Emulsion, the Revitalizing Lotion, and the Regenerating Multi Cream. So it's like a little box set of fancy things. Ooh, and it comes with like a little gift set. Okay, this is exciting. Decorte. I honestly don't even remember buying this, but I'm excited. I love anything that's revitalizing and anything that is rejuvenating. So this is very fun. But that is my little haul of what I got from Beauty Pass. So again, it's beautypass.com. You sign up, you give them your phone number, and they send you a text message, and you can purchase all this really cool stuff. I actually have even more on the way. It does take like a hot second. Sometimes it can take up to 2 weeks to receive your purchase. And I know I for sure have some. I literally bought something today. During the holidays, they have a lot of extras, and today's a Monday, so they had an extra one today, and I bought one on Friday, and then I think I bought one the week before. So I think I have like 3 more packages coming in. So hopefully they make it before Christmas. It'll be cool to try them, but that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite skincare products are. I'm always looking to try some new ones out. Skincare, hair care, everything. Let me know. Share it with everyone too. Tune in tomorrow for a new video, 7 a.m. Join me at the live sales. Have a great day. Have a good night. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.